Hi, I'm Habib Irani, former Canadian Armed Forces and currently Product and Business Development Manager at INKAS Aerospace and Defense. INKAS is a world-renowned armored vehicle manufacturer. We have operated alongside military and security partners on every continent. Real environments, real missions, real consequences. And one thing became clear. Most platforms that end users relied upon were never designed for the threats they are currently facing. Heavy where they shouldn't be, light where they needed strength, slow to adapt, and even slower to evolve. The world learned hard lessons from the modern battlefield. That is exactly why INKAS designed the M1. Not a retrofit, not a remodel, a platform built from the ground up, from scratch, engineered on a foundation that no other manufacturer can claim. Real operational experience, proven technologies, and direct first-hand input from end users in active combat environments. We didn't design this vehicle in a boardroom. We designed it with the operators who live and fight from these platforms, across multiple nations, multiple doctrines, multiple threat landscapes. That is the difference. That is where the M1 begins. The M1 is built for real-world missions, where mobility across varied terrains isn't a feature, it's a requirement. Where the ability to rapidly reconfigure the vehicle, medevac, weapons integration, reconnaissance, and other role-specific loadouts can't come at the cost of the platform's integrity. And where, above all else, one priority is non-negotiable: the survivability of the warfighter. From day one, the MRAP was architected as a living platform, one that can adapt and evolve as threats evolve. Not a vehicle you replace, a platform you grow. The objective was clear from the start: NATO-aligned, interoperable, serviceable, and built for future growth. To achieve that, INKAS partnered with KNDS Mobility, a world-class European company and a global leader in advanced military mobility systems. This is not a parts sourcing arrangement. This is a true engineering partnership, a controlled, deliberate integration of two centers of excellence: Canadian platform design and protection architecture, European drivetrain and suspension engineering, systems already proven in the most demanding operational environments on Earth. The result is a vehicle developed as one unified system, not assembled from separate components from separate vendors with separate priorities. That partnership between INKAS and KNDS is what defines the M1, and it's something no competitor can replicate. But the M1 is not a standalone vehicle. It is part of a broader defense ecosystem, because in today's battlefield, NATO must own the ground and watch the sky simultaneously. The M1 is designed with that reality built in: modern weapon system integration, counter-UAS capabilities, advanced situational awareness, and the mobility to operate where and when it matters most. Because survivability isn't just armor, it's how reliably a platform performs, across terrain, across climate, across the full spectrum of today's threats. The INKAS M1 MRAP was not built for yesterday's threats. It was built by professionals who understand what's coming next.